If you're choosing between Suno and Rythmix AI, this isn't just AI music tool versus AI music tool. It's full song generation versus AI-assisted music creation. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Suno is one of the most popular AI music generators today. You can type a prompt, add lyrics, and generate a complete song with vocals, instruments, and structure in just a few minutes. That makes it incredibly accessible for creators, marketers, and hobby musicians. But here's the catch. While the results can be impressive, you have limited control over the finer details of the composition. Rythmix AI takes a more production-focused approach. It aims to give users greater influence over the music creation process, rather than simply generating a finished song from a prompt. For users who want to tweak, refine, and shape their music, that extra control can be valuable. The downside is that it generally requires more involvement and may not produce finished songs as quickly as Suno. So which one is better? Choose Suno if you want fast, complete songs with vocals and minimal effort. Choose Rythmix AI if you want more control over the music creation process, and don't mind spending extra time refining results. Bottom line, for most users, Suno is the better AI music platform because it produces complete songs faster and with less effort. But if you care more about creative control than instant results, Rythmix AI may be the better fit. Right now, Suno remains a stronger choice for the average creator looking to generate high-quality music quickly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.